Hello and welcome to my video. This video is about iterative method according to the syllabus of RGPV in the unit 2 of M3. Important points to remember about this method is set function as x is equals to phi x. Iteration process should be like x1 equals to phi x0, x2 is equals to phi x1, x3 equals to phi x2, and xn will be equals to phi xn minus 1. Like in x3 the x2 is x3 minus 1, then it's x2. So what is x is equals to phi x? If the given equation is 3x plus 5x equals to 2, then x is equals to phi x will be x is equals to 2 minus 5x upon 3. That means all the things will be on the other side and 1x will be on the one side. Take another example. If the given equation is x square which is equals to 35, then x is equals to phi x will be x equals to 35 upon x. That means 1x on the one hand, and on the other side all the other things will be on the other side. Let's take an example. Question is, by iteration method find the value of 2x equals to cos x plus 3 up to 3 decimal places. Solution is, given equation is 2x equals to cos x plus 3. The equation is 2x equals to cos x plus 3. So the x equals to phi x will be 1x on the one hand and other things on the other side. X is equals to cos x plus 3 upon 2, which is our x equals to phi x. Now our next step is to find x1, and x1 equals to phi x0. So take x0 equals to 0 and put the value of x0. So we will put the value of x0 to find x1. So x1 will be equals to cos x0 plus 3 upon 2, and x0 is equals to 0 we know, so x1 will equals to cos 0 plus 3 upon 2, and x1 is equals to 2. So now we know x1 equals to 2, so the equation will be x2 equals to cos x1 plus 3 upon 2, because now we know the x1, so to find x2 this will be the equation, and put the value of x1 equals to 2 in that equation. Therefore x2 will be equals to cos 2 plus 3 upon 2, which is 1.999. Similarly, to find x3 we know the value of x2. Put the value of x2 in the equation, then it will be like x3 equals to cos x2 plus 3 upon 2, which is cos 1.999 plus 3 upon 2. The answer will be again 1.999. So we can say it is a repeating value, so x is equals to 1.999 up to 3 decimal places. The answer is repeating till 3 decimal places, so we take the x is as 1.999, and this is the answer. Thanks for watching. Click here for another example of regular falsy method. Like the video, share the video to another RGPV group mates, and subscribe for more tutorials.